Wilton Color Right 8 Base Color Kit. Wilton Color has been on the market for years, but they have fallen behind the times. More recently, they introduced what they refer to as a Tasteless Red. But for some reason, they decided not to replace all the red they offered with that option. It is puzzling why they would think anyone would prefer the unpalatable red variety, but for including it in this kit, we had to take off a lot of points. All Wilton food colors have an aftertaste. When baking, that is not an issue. The flavor is slight enough you won't even notice it. However, when it comes to coloring icing or whipped cream, it becomes obvious that you went with the cheaper option and bought Wilton. As though that were not bad enough, Wilton food colors have a well-earned reputation for changing within an hour or so of your baked goods cooling off. The squeeze bottles allow for easy application, although you will want to be careful if you're trying to be exact because these applicators will allow more than a single dropout at a time. On the upside, you will be able to get every single drop of this food color out before tossing the applicators out. This is still a good kit for the price, and the savvy shopper will see the value in it. The colors are enough to get you started with customizing your palette. If you have young children just learning to bake and decorate, or if you're trying to color your own bath bombs, this is absolutely the perfect kit to do it with. Here are some pros. Good color selection, perfect for bath bombs. And some cons. Cheap squeeze bottles, the red is horrible. Aftertaste.